Hi! How do I even start off this video? I don't really even know, to be honest. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today I have probably one of the most exciting unboxings that I've ever had so far. So I don't know how to like start off this video because there's so much going on. Like, I have one of my favorite bags in this box right here. I kind of feel weird unboxing it because I just got my first one of these bags like not even a month ago, and here I am unboxing a second one, and I feel like it's a bit excessive, but like everything's fine. Let's just open it.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm happy to have you. I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, all that good stuff. So if any of that interests you, or if you just like the vibe, if you like me, then I would please ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. In this box, I have a very, very exciting bag. I got this bag from Luxury Promise. It's my first time ever getting anything from them. Not sponsored. I didn't work with them or anything like that. I would love to in the future. Ladies, hi. But I did get this bag from them and I genuinely cannot be any more excited. I honestly don't even want to just like talk about it too much because I know everyone here is like, get on with the bag. So here we go. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened this yet. The only thing I've done is open the actual packaging, like the shipping box, to make sure everything is good. Here it is. It came in DHL, so it came by DHL. I think all things sent from the UK come through DHL. Here we go. Nice bubble wrap. And okay, so one of these is already taken off because I was gonna go ahead and look at it and unbox it, but then I was like, no, I don't want to. I want to film it. So it is all sealed. I have not opened anything. So again, true unboxing. Oh, all right. So Luxury Promise deals with a lot of vintage pieces to my knowledge. I think they have a few new pieces here and there, but mostly they do vintage stuff. And they have like some really, really good finds, like things that you can't find other places. I will say this is a Chanel Classic flap. Listen, I know that I just got my black Chanel Classic flap like not even a month ago. It's one of those things to where I saw this and I knew how rare it was. It is literally probably Chanel's most rarest color. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's very, very rare, and I know it's one of the rarest colors. It may not be the rarest, but I know it's one of the rarest colors. Go ahead and just comment down below what you think the color might be. It is a classic flap, and it is a medium size, but just comment really quickly what you think the color is, and then let me know if you were right. I don't know, but here we go. Oh my god, it even has a dust bag. Okay. It says Luxury Promise. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Guys, this is Tiffany Blue Classic Flap. It's a medium size. It's Tiffany Blue. This is such, I'm like, look at this. Hello? It's such such an amazing color. It is so beautiful. It is a double flap. Look at that. And oh man, it just looks so pretty. I have a small size classic flap already, and I really wanted to get a medium size so I could, like, you know, compare and do all that good stuff. Look. And it is vintage. This one is actually a 5 series classic flap, which means it was from, I think, 94 to 96, something along those lines. And you guys, this color is literally everything to me. Like, you can't get this color anymore to my knowledge. I think it is like something that's completely discontinued. Oh my god. She's freaking stunning. And of course, I do have my small size. I will do like a size comparison like between my small and the medium. But like, you can wear it crossbody. You can, we're in a little bit of a different area for this part of the video. I feel like I wasn't really able to show like ways of wearing the bag in my bedroom where I normally film, because I'm in like this tiny little space, so I can't really show. So I wanted to do that here. So here is my new medium one, the Tiffany blue. And then here is my small black one. So they're both vintage. And if you can see here, the blue one is obviously like filled at the moment, so it's gonna be thicker anyways, but you can see how much of a difference. I mean, there is not like a giant difference, but there definitely is a difference when it comes to the size. Like, yeah, look at that. I will do like a full-on like in-depth video when it comes to like the small versus medium, because I have them both now. And I don't think that I'm ever going to get like a jumbo, or definitely never a maxi, but I'm never gonna get a jumbo either. I don't need that. So I'm gonna show you when it comes to the medium one. Okay, so of course you have the double strap, so you can wear it like this, like over the in the crook of your elbow. You can put it on your shoulder just like you can the small one. You can put down one of the handles and wear it as like a shoulder bag like this, kind of longer like that. And then you technically are supposed to be able to crossbody these, but like, I don't know if I really would. It's a very short crossbody situation. I think it would work a lot better if you were a bit shorter than me. I'm 5'5" for reference, so people that are 5'5" or taller are not going to be able to crossbody this very well, but those of you that are shorter than that, I do think that you could crossbody it. I crossbody my small one occasionally, but yeah, pretty much the same way of being able to wear this one. But I just wanted to show this as well, just so it was included in the video. I do love my small size very much, but I really wanted to try the medium, and this one does have silver toned hardware. The other one that I have has a gold toned hardware, so I really wanted to have one that was silver, just so I could, you know, have the best of both worlds and say that I have one of both. But yeah, you guys, it does look a bit bigger on the inside than my small one, and I will say this one probably is definitely more worn than my black one, which is super weird. You know, I feel like, you know, the black one is even older than this. I guess because it's black, it shows signs of wear less, but this does show some signs of wear. Maybe I can like recondition the leather. I don't really know. It does have like a pretty large dent down here. Maybe I can like fill that out and make it look better, but all in all, I mean, it is in still pretty good condition, and I do like it a lot. And I just love this color mostly. The color is just beautiful. And I got my nails done kind of like the same color because I knew I was gonna be getting this soon. She's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. So beautiful and gorgeous, and I'm obsessed. Okay, here is a close-up of the bag. As you can tell, it does have some slight scuffs on it. Nothing too crazy. I think the leather is just a little bit dry. I don't know if the person that had this before me kind of like left it out in the sun or something, but maybe I'll be able to fix that somehow. I'm not entirely sure, but other than that, it looks incredible. And then the sides kind of indent a tiny bit. I do think there's a way that you can reshape the sides, so if I can do that, I'm 100% going to. But I was able to put stuff in the front pocket to get rid of that dent.
So that's good there.
You guys, here, this is it. This is my new bag. I really hope that you like it. I'm obsessed with it, and I will do some like mod shots at the end just so you can see her in all of her glory. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. And also ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!